Our vision was always to serve, to help improve the smile, to help improve the outcome, to help improve longevity.
I actually like to help people. It's very rewarding to see their transformation, to be able to give them the smile that they deserve.
We have to thank my wife for the overall aesthetics of our offices the way they are right now, because she solely worked on making the patients feel like they're at home instead of a dental office. That's the feel that we wanted patients to have.
I wanted to take away the fear factor from dentistry. So I hope that when a patient comes into an ambient environment such as we have and we created, a little bit of that fear is taken away.
I even told my husband, I said, it's really nice in there. It's very modern, it's very state-of-the-art, it's very clean, you know, and it's amazing actually. It's not like your usual dental office. It's very modern.
When I first came to Royal Dental Care, it was really warming and welcoming. As soon as I walked through the door, I felt as if it was the right place to be at.
So among the doctors that we have here, we range from periodontics to orthodontics, oral surgery, cosmetic dentistry. So every specialty that there is out there, we can provide under one roof.
Patients can have their gum surgery, and patients can have their fillings and preventive dentistry and cosmetic dentistry and implants, all taken care of within one office.
Because as a patient you might have separate needs to be met. So having separate specialties in the same location is wonderful. So you don't have to move from one office to another, make 2 appointments, 3 appointments to meet with different doctors. It's a wonderful idea to have that done.
It was important for me to have all of the services under one roof, one building. I absolutely insisted that my care would be under one roof, one building, under a group of doctors that worked for that particular dentist. And I found that in Dr. Troyan's office.
It is extremely important to have the team back you up in your vision and in the continuous stride to improve patients' quality of life, their quality of dental treatment.
They are what makes this practice great. They are an extension of me, and we're really proud to have them on board.
Every member of the staff has always been very polite, very courteous, very warm. They always explain what they're doing, and they have a very good rapport, not just with the patients, but also with the doctors.
The entire staff at that practice is amazing, but Dr. Troyan, I think he is training everybody and letting them know that we are not just patients, we are becoming like a family for that practice.
What makes me get up in the morning and do this every single day, you know, when they get up from that chair and they look at me and smile and say, God, doctor, thank you. Thank you so much for doing all this. This was easy. That gives me energy to get up in the morning and continue to do this again and